the way of computation in the future will likely be generative. And then let me just give you one final idea. 100% of what you and I just went through is generated. Every question you asked me, I didn't run back to my office and retrieve something and bring it to you. Is this what you meant, Constantine? And then you read it aloud for everybody to hear. That's yesterday's computer. Today's computer is we're just interacting. And so we are generating everything in real time based on the context that is happening right here, based on the audience, based on what's happening around the world. And so we're generating everything in real time. That's the future computer. You know, your future computer is a CEO in front of you, or it's an artist, it's a poet, it's a storyteller, and you collaborate with it to create unique content for yourself. And so the future of computation is 100% generative. And behind it, you need an AI factory, which is the reason why I'm 100% certain we're at the beginning of this journey. And we're a few $100 billion, extremely small. We're only a few $100 billion of infrastructure built for what likely will be trillions of dollars of infrastructure built each year. And so that's the easiest way to think through it.